Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between MLP distributions and corporate dividends. Number 1. MLP distributions are paid to investors who own partnership units, whereas corporate dividends are paid to investors who own common or preferred shares. Number 2. MLP distributions come from publicly traded limited partnerships, whereas corporate dividends come from taxable corporate entities. Number 3. MLP payments are usually called distributions, whereas corporate payments are usually called dividends. Number 4. MLP distributions are often based on distributable cash flow or partnership cash flow, whereas corporate dividends are usually paid from after-tax corporate profits. Number 5. MLP investors commonly receive a Schedule K-1 tax form, whereas corporate dividend investors usually receive Form 1099 DIV. Number 6. MLP distributions are often largely tax-deferred as return of capital, whereas corporate dividends are usually taxable dividend income when paid. Number 7. MLP distributions are generally not treated as qualified dividends, whereas many corporate dividends can be qualified dividends if the required rules are met. Number 8. MLP distributions often reduce the investor's cost basis, whereas regular corporate dividends usually do not reduce cost basis. Number 9. MLP distributions usually involve more complicated tax reporting, whereas corporate dividends are usually simpler to report. Number 10. MLP distributions may create UBTI concerns inside retirement accounts such as IRAs, whereas corporate dividends generally do not create UBTI issues. Number 11. MLPs are commonly concentrated in energy, pipelines, and midstream businesses, whereas corporate dividend-paying companies can be found across many different sectors. Number 12. MLP distributions often offer higher yields, whereas corporate dividend yields vary widely and are often lower on average. Number 13. MLP distributions can be sensitive to commodity sentiment, volumes, and capital market conditions, whereas corporate dividends are usually more dependent on general business earnings and board dividend policy. Number 14. MLP governance may include general partner and limited partner features, whereas corporate dividends follow standard board and shareholder governance. Number 15. MLP distributions may suit income investors who are comfortable with tax complexity, whereas corporate dividends may suit investors who want simpler dividend income and easier reporting. Overall, MLPs may offer high income but often come with more tax complexity. On the other hand, corporate dividends are usually easier to understand, easier to report, and more familiar to beginner investors. This lecture is for educational purposes only and is not tax or investment advice. Tax rules may vary by investor, country, and account type, so always do your own research or consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.